Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to practice reading some words together. So Miss Sarah is going to put dots down on her whiteboard so that you are able to follow along with what I'm going to write. Now remember, when there is only one dot, that means it makes one sound. So we're going to start with a word. Our first sound is k. Our middle sound is a. And our ending sound is t. So now we're going to put all of those sounds together. K, a, t. K, a, t. Cat. Our word is cat. Very good. Now Miss Sarah's going to erase it. Okay. Our next word is going to be let's do this together. Let's look at our very first sound over here. We have g, 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 ah, ah, t, t, g, ah, t, g, ah, t, g, ah, t, got. Our word is got. I got a yellow flower. Very good. Sarah's going to erase that word. Okay. Now remember, my friends, when there's one dot, it makes one sound. So let's practice a team together. Our first sound is p, p, p. Our middle sound is a, a. And our ending sound is n, n. So let's do it together. P, a, n, p, a, n. Pain. My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say? Good, thank you. Okay, now let's do another word together. Let's do one with P again. You will do P, P. Then Miss Sarah is going to do E, eh. Next, I'm going to do the letter N, So let's sound out this word together. P, N, P, N, pen, pen. I write with a pen. Very good. Now Miss Sarah is going to use the first letter she's going to use is B, B, B. Our middle sound is going to be A. And our ending sound is T, B, at, B, at, bat. I swung the bat at the ball. Okay, let's do this one together. All right, our beginning sound is D, 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 D. Our middle sound is ah, ah, ah. ah. And our ending sound is g, 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 g. D, ah, g. D, ah, g. D, ah, g. Dog. Very good. What sound does a dog make? Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof. Okay, we're going to do one more word together. What is our beginning sound? S. Our middle sound is uh, 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 uh. And our ending sound is n, n. So let's put it together. S, n, s, un, sun. Very good, everyone. So that's what we did today for our literacy lesson. I will see you guys later.